Callaway. That's what this is about. My name is Thomas Wilson. I'm a business marketing major at Indiana Wesleyan University. I'm working in my last few classes to get my bachelor's in marketing. We're going to talk about the reason this is titled Callaway is as being marketer for Callaway, some things I would do and different brands that is my competitor. Callaway, as you know, is a top leading golf equipment and apparel. Not only do they have golf shoes, they have golf balls, they have clothes, they have shoes for, such as golf shoes. The golf clubs, they range, they got different prices. So, just as well as the balls and everything. What is my target market out here? Okay, my target market out here is all ages of male and females that play golf. You got business people out here that want to dress nice because they've got dress casual such as polos, slacks, shorts. Just the apparel is not made just to go play golf in. You can wear it out on night out of town also. I feel my competitors that I've got out here that's against us, sir, is Titleist and TaylorMade. They're also another leading brand of golf equipment and balls as well. Marketing. What can we do in marketing here? One way Callaway is you can sign up for a contest and win prizes during periodic times through their website. Right now, you can sign up to be an ambassador and win prizes up to $5,000. They're giving away prizes for first, second, and third. Right now, also on our website, we've got clearance to get the old out to make room for the new. Things that's been sitting around. Not only, clearance on our site, but clearance at like sporting goods stores such as Dick's Sporting Goods, Dunham's, and any golf place that has Callaway equipment. We can also go to golf tournaments and have a booth set up where we can demonstrate what we got and, see how that potential customers, potential owners of Callaway swing and compare it with their brand of club that they got, whether it's Titleist, TaylorMade, or you name it, they got it, Ping or anything. Not only can you go to the tournaments, they also have golf shows such as, the new and approved equipment out. The out with the old and in with the new, same way with clearance is. You got these big time golfers there, or even amateur golfers that can come and check out and the new launch of the new driver like Callaway did with the Rogue, which is an awesome driver, which I own myself. Not only that, I can see what the average golfer, average person, amateur feels about it. Is I could go and set up a survey on surveymonkey.com and get their opinion on some different things about, how they feel about Callaway being the top brand driver, top brand equipment, what kind of equipment they use and why they use it, and would they, what leads them that way. As you see, I did set up the survey. You go to this website, and with the survey, like I said, I would see where golfers stand on type of equipment. And also, it would help us to find out what we can do to improve, to get our sales up, get our equipment better, and get Callaway out on the course. Titleist and TaylorMade. I will get with the sporting goods stores and find out how this brand's sold, compared to other brands, compared to Callaway. Are they up? Are they down? Are they about the same? Again, be at the golf shows and see how these brands are doing with their new improved, comparing the TaylorMade driver and the Titleist driver to, for example, the Callaway Rogue. Not only that, I can go on the internet and also see how they're doing there to find out what they're doing, such as sales and everything. I'd go and get new results every quarter just to see how we are on a quarter ratio, and go from, instead of monthly or yearly. I mean, you don't want to put nothing yearly out there, because yearly you're gonna snooze and lose. So I feel like we can go quarterly and see what they got and see what kind of deals they got out there. Maybe we can match their deal or beat their deal to get our name out there. Keep it going. As results come in, I will show a graph, show our growth to see where we need to go. For example, total revenue for this year has Callaway leading out of these three brands. It's $1 billion in revenue for TaylorMade. It's $1.2 billion for Callaway, and $914.2 million for Titleist. So as we go from there, as you see, we're up like 200 mil. So we are a great company, and we got to keep leading the way and go out there and be represented on the golf course. That's our first example. For example, quarter one, this is just me throwing numbers out by going to the stores for a quarter. As you see, Callaway sold 500 sets of clubs, or, apparel, shoes, balls, in the first quarter. Titleist sold 356. TaylorMade sold 423. And other is, you got your off brands, you got Ping out there, different ones like that. So they sold 620 in the quarter, which their percentage is more, but that's a combined total of different sets and different brands compared to one brand. Alright, in conclusion, thanks for enjoying the video. Hope I got some news to you, so let's hit the ground running and see where it leads us. Do what we need to do to improve Callaway brand. Hit the links. Have fun.